Hi everyone, fishing a new creek today. I'm excited. It's a little spring creek. Never fished here before, didn't know it existed until a couple months ago, and then someone told me about it. It's a small spring creek, and apparently it has cutthroat in it, and so I'm excited. Let's get to fishing. All right, first cast. Whoa, first cast. Had a fish on. Good sign. Fish on. Oh, that's a good sized fish, I think. All right. Well, not the first cast, but that was first few casts. That is a rainbow. Very nice. Feels good to get on the board this early. Fish on. It's another rainbow. Nothing wrong with catching rainbow trout. Got one. Little guy. Another rainbow. Oh, just spooked some fish here. At least one. Oh, hooked into another one. Missed the hook set though. Now my line is tangled somehow. This is a crystal clear stream. The saving grace is that the surface of the water is a little bit broken, but I don't think it matters too much. The fish can still see me coming from a mile away. Fish, oh, had a fish on. I'm sloppy today. Fish on. Good size for this creek. Very nice. This one looks like a cut bow. It's like largely cutthroat, but I think there's definitely some rainbow in it. It does have the cutthroat slashes on the jaw, but doesn't look quite full cutthroat to me. Still a nice fish, 9 or 10 inches. It's pretty good for this little creek. I probably should be using a longer rod on here, on this stream. It's open enough, the fish are skittish enough, the water's clear enough that extra length definitely wouldn't hurt, but I'm kind of lazy. I don't like changing rods once I've taken one out. Oh, it's another one of those ones that I didn't really realize I had on, so it was too late. It happens to me quite a bit. I just get too anxious to do that next cast. Got one. Saw him come and get it. good size. It's a good fish. Might be the biggest one yet. Ooh, now that's a pretty fish. That is a pretty cutthroat. Or cutbow or whatever these are. Yeah, this one looks to be largely cutthroat. Beautiful fish. About 11 inches, give or take. Very pretty fish. That might be the catch of the day right there. That fish had white edges on some of its fins, and I think in some places that's a good indicator that it's a cutbow, that it's a hybrid between a rainbow and a cutthroat. Pure cutthroats don't have that. But that one, as far as the spotting pattern goes, looks like a cutthroat, but definitely had some rainbow coloration to it. Yeah, I definitely should be using a longer rod with longer line. These sections that are flat, the odds are not in my favor. Fish on. I saw that fish rising a minute ago. Oh, yeah, I saw it rise just right under the bank there. And as soon as I cast the line over there, I saw it go tight. You know what? I'm gonna give in. I'm gonna get the longer rod out. Okay, we are now fishing the 13-foot rod. 400 centimeter rod. Yeah, this length definitely feels better on this stream. In this section anyway, who knows, maybe it'll change a little bit farther up. But for now, this was the better choice. I don't think I was recording, unfortunately, but I landed this super fat little rainbow. Look how fat that thing is. That is the fattest fish I've ever caught in proportion to its length. Caught it from right over here. Sorry I wasn't filming. There's some guys doing some electro fishing over here, so I'm gonna go talk to them and see what's going on. Okay, yeah, so those were guys from the Idaho Department of Fish and Game, and they were electro fishing the creek to see, I guess, what the ratio is of pure cutthroats, or what look to be pure cutthroats with rainbows and hybrids. And I think he said that it's between 70 and 80% hybrid or rainbow at this point, and so only 20 or 30% pure cutthroat. But yeah, I don't think I've caught any pure cutthroat in here yet, but he told me up to what point they're going to be doing the electro fishing, and so I'm going to fish again, or start fishing again above that point. Got one. How did that not get into my net? How did that not get into my net? I had it like right here, and then it must have come off like right... I don't know how that happened. As I had the net in my hand, I was thinking, perfect, this thing is just coming right, like directly downstream, directly toward me. I can just put my net in the water and it'll float right in. But apparently, it was not the case. Let's try this again. See, that time, I did land the fish. I don't know what happened that other time. That one was basically pure rainbow. Fish on. Still on. He's fighting hard. He's trying to find cover. I keep steering him away from that though. That's a pretty fish. About 10 inches. Again, a good size. And again, white tips on the fins. It's a hybrid. Fish on. There are more fish up here than where I was fishing before. Below the Fish and Game guys. At least it seems that way. Look at that. It's a good fish. Ow. Stinging nettles. Ah. That sucks. Ah. Basically all of this is stinging nettle and I just bushwhacked through it. My elbows and my knee are burning. I'm doing this for you guys. Gotta make that sick content. Smash that like button. Oh, got one. The fish in here are just a good size and they fight well. This is a good fish, 10 or 11 inches, I think. Yeah, 11 inches. I think that'll do it. The bugs are out in full force. I'm gonna head back to the car. Great little creek. I think I caught 10 fish, missed a bunch more, but had a great time. Beautiful little creek. I'll definitely be coming back here in the future. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.